It is Tuesday, January 3rd, and I'm gonna vlog this week. Here it is. And look where we are. Yay. Hi. Oh, Paige was editing like a fancy girl.
I was opening Lightroom because I have some photos to edit.
Look at her, she eats.
Okay. Why you get the best group in this class? It's what I heard. I don't know if people are saying that.
It's kind of like I saw on YouTube.
Yeah, for sure.
#1 trending. I forgot my banana, so I'm half breakfastless.
I have that picture ready right now.
Look who's here. SAA.
Oh.
Hi. The two gluten-free vegan options they had was a ginger cookie and a ginger cookie and a cherry bar. And I'm not huge on cherries, like real cherries. I like cherry fake flavoring, like Red Dead 40. I'm not a huge fan of ginger either, so honestly we'll see how this goes. Not yummy. That reminds me of my mom. My mom has these ginger cookies she eats. So it's delicious.
No.
There's a GoFundMe for Kayleigh's new car.
I don't want a new car. I want my car.
Corrections I made.
I want my car.
Oh.
What? Where did you get those?
Do you want these?
Where did she get the chips?
What flavor is this?
Paige, hello.
There's more over there. Do you want these? YouTube channel.
Sure.
I watched your vlog, your effed up vlog. I was in it.
Guess the movie. Guess the movie. It's gay.
But it, like, not really though. It's like really, really straight, honestly. And hey.
Katie said vlog this.
Oh, what's your review of Challengers?
Oh, me? That was so stupid.
Okay.
What's yours?
I like enjoy it. It's a fun movie. It's enjoyable to watch. I think you're a hater. She just hated all the characters, so.
Art is a victim. Art deserves so much compensation medically, financially, psychologically.
Yeah, but then at the end when they hug, like, he's gotta be a little fucked up too.
It's Wednesday, so it's needle day. Needle day. I don't know if you can even see. This is my cinema history class. I thought it started at 11, but apparently it starts at 11:15. So now I just have like 15 minutes. Yay. Part 2 of filming Jaya. We just did F45.
We should take a photo every day we go to F45.
Okay, we will. It was really hard, and I can.
Me too. It was fun.
It was fun, and we got to switch between legs and arms. So I did some arms and some legs. What did you do?
I also did arms and legs. I just did whatever I felt.
1, this oatmeal sucks. It like is so crumbly. 2, I completely wrecked this peanut butter jar. It really suffered in that microwave.
Okay, I went and got like $25 worth of food. So I'm gonna do a little haul. I got these fries. blueberry. They are frozen in the microwave. I got 3 Cliff Bars. I got 2 packets of these, like, they don't have nuts in them, but they try to replicate, like, a nut, like, mix, I guess, and they're really good. I really like them. The nut-free snack mix, and this is, like, the cinnamon. I got, look at how pathetic this granola is. Look at this. I really thought it was croutons. Do you see the size of that granola? This should probably cost 20 cents. There's so little in there. Instead of probably costing like $4. I'm not even joking. And lastly, I know I'm gonna hate this. I know I'm gonna hate this, but I just wanted to buy something to eat later. Like in the next week. I got this chia seed. And I like chia pudding. I love chia seeds. I eat chia seeds multiple times a day in my oatmeal and on wraps. But this might be, the texture of this just might be a little much for me. I got strawberry banana. I'm hoping that I'll kind of make a smoothie.
Oh, look what I got with Kayleigh. I got salmon. I love salmon. I'm gonna try a little bite on camera.
You were just complaining.
I love salmon, like actually so much. There she is. That's what she got. Look at this diva.
I'm so scared right now.
Hi guys, this is what we as Virginia Tech students do.
During
Make
class.
pizzas. And we're gonna set up the
It's an egg
customer.
pizza.
So ready? Oh, thank you so much. Help my dream come true.
Purple.
Is it's all about what does it take to break you. And the reason I come to this is we had to put hurricane windows in our house.
You guys lost him for practically a whole day, Matthew said.
Look who's here.
Bello.
Hello.
Bello. Bello.
We're gonna go for a walk, and I'm actually wearing my coat, my huge
Do you
coat.
want me to like?
Oh.
OOTD.
Oh, OTD. Got this. Thrifted. Leggings.
Bags. Here's Kate. Here's Kate's OTD. OTDD.
OOTD. Jacket is Carhartt.
Oh. Oh my god.
I get a discount there.
Oh.
Jeans. I bought these on Amazon. They were like $15. It was awesome.
That.
And the shoes are also from Amazon.
Oh my gosh. Jeff Bezos. He's here for lunch. And here's Kate still. We did a review on her TikTok.
Okay, thank you. It's my
It's Carhartt. It's Carhartt. Attention rec sports members and guests. War Memorial Hall will be closing in 15 minutes. War Memorial Hall will be closing in 15 minutes.
Pretty cool.
That is cool.
The ice. All the rain. There's Dad. We had a banana and peanut butter. And we're off to Winter Place to go snowboarding in the rain.
We've exited the library.
We took a long walk around campus and we saw McBride, we saw Pamplin, we saw Burris. We saw a lot of things.
Yeah, and now we actually make a U-turn because we have to go see the pillars.
The pylons?
The pylons.
You'll never guess where I am. I'm at closing for war.
Let me just say, I'm on the last episode of Arcane, and I'm lost. I am completely lost. This show officially lost me. I was like, wait, I'm lost. Wait, I'm lost. And I've never recovered. I've never learned. I don't understand Mel's storyline. I don't understand Victor's storyline. I don't understand what's going on. I am completely lost. Like literally I watch, I'm like, I don't understand. Don't understand. Like, I'm just watching, I'm like, I don't even know who's who, where's what, where they are, what's going on. I'm completely lost. So I need to express my confusion with this show. I don't understand where Mel got powers from. I think it's because her mom had an affair, but I really don't know. I also don't know what her powers are. I also don't know who the Rose people are that gave her the powers, question mark. I don't know why they took her brother, question mark. And then Victor, I don't know what he's trying to accomplish with Hex Gates. I think he's trying to stop death. And like the doctor and Mel's mom are like pro, like stop death. And I think that maybe Jace is like anti-stopping death. Like, he's like, we need to destroy Hexcase, we need to get rid of magic. I'm thinking that's what's going on. But, like, how Victor keeps, like, coming back to life and how he's, like, God, kind of. I don't really understand how that happens. Like, I guess Arcane just, like, absorbed him and, like, made him God? But then I'm like, if you have, like, all this power, how can you not just, like, stay alive? Like, how do you get killed so easily all the time? What the hell? Genuinely, I am completely I'm just at loss. I'm really at loss. So I just finished Arcane. I think I missed the point because I don't know a single thing that just happened. Like, genuinely could not tell you. Tonight, instead of reading Beloved by Toni Morrison, which is the book I'm reading currently, I'm just going to be reading what happened at the end of Arcane. Where did Hector go? In my head, Jace and Victor together is Hector. But anyway, where did Jace go? Where did Victor go? I guess Jinx actually died. I kind of thought she wasn't going to, but I guess she actually did. Malice still has some random powers, but I guess she killed the Rose Lady that gave her powers. And how that involved her mom, I'm clearly not smart enough for that show. It took a level of expertise that I think was lost to me. Because I
Okay, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna try chia pudding. I'm really scared. I feel like this is gonna be really, really, really gross and I'm gonna wanna puke. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, it's way more watery than I expected. Why does it literally just taste like flavored water? Okay, the texture, but the taste is good. This could grow on me. It's not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Like, it could grow on me. It can grow on me. Okay, I like it. I changed my mind. I like it. I don't know if I like it. It's like okay, but it's also not. If you've ever wondered, wow, is Paige a real chef? Does Paige really cook? Look what I just made for lunch. Tell me this is not everything. There is rice, white rice in the bottom of this. Chicken, broccoli. Look at this. This could actually be in a Michelin star restaurant. And I made it! And I made it. I mean, I bought this like 2 weeks ago. Popped it in the microwave. And then I got chicken and broccoli from a dining hall. But the chicken, I didn't know it was gonna have bones in it. So I was fighting the urge to not throw up. Still kind of am, low-key. We'll see if the chicken, like if I can get it down. But then I just shredded it with my bare hands. I tried the fork for 1 second. It wasn't working. I took my bare hands and ripped it apart.
The most beautiful charcuterie board I've ever seen in my life. 2x4 what? It is that long. We just said 2x4, so.
I just got on the Stairmaster for 35 minutes. No, like almost 40. Do you see how pale my face is? Like, you would not know I just worked out. Like, genuinely, I thought I was gonna pass out. I felt so ill, so sick. I ran in here and almost puked. Woo! We've got some iconic characters while I suffer from illness. Here's Katelyn's haul. This is Katelyn's snow haul.
I got more at home. I've never had these before. I'm a little apprehensive.
Ooh, I love them.
Another one.
Ooh.
M&M's to put in popcorn.
Ooh. I didn't know that's what you were getting this for.
I also got celery pot stickers. I actually did end up getting rice and
wow, when I suggested rice, Katelyn was like, I don't want to eat rice.
And then I got
look at her now.
Fruit, I think. I've got a haul in there. I'm gonna be eating good.
I have 2 frozen muffins that I'm so excited for. And now we're gonna eat our fries. This is my haul. Bands on bands. Look. It's snowing, it's snowing, it's snowing, it's snowing. I'm so excited to go romp around outside. Oh my! It's snowing! It's like aggressively snowing. Like I've never seen it like snow this much and stick. And look how beautiful Katelyn looks. Look how beautiful I look probably. It's on camera.
Bro frolicked a little too hard.
Oh. It actually is slick when you go to turn around. She's in Narnia. She's in Narnia. I dropped my phone. We are really. Good thing it's waterproof. Oh. Katelyn, what did you get?
A pumpkin chocolate chip muffin.
These are delicious. They're really, really good. I got a peanut butter blondie. I'm so excited. My shade.
This is really good.
Yeah.
See where you are. You get such a good sense of place. You
I can't see it on camera, but it's snowing heavily. Who is that? Who's on the flag? If you know this person, speak up.
Looks like a woman.
It looks like. Oh no, not this. It's like last year all over again. Yeah, here's Olivia. Olivia's here. Katelyn's here.
Yes. I'm here for 75. They're so cute. There are like 175 other people that are.
The dog!
Let's go!
I just realized this dog doesn't have a leg.